In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know if someone blocked you on LinkedIn. Navigating the world of LinkedIn, the prominent professional social platform, can sometimes be a bit tricky, especially when you're trying to find out if you've been blocked by another user. Let's explore the telltale signs and guide you through the process. First, to begin, open your web browser and head over to LinkedIn by typing linkedin.com into your address bar. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. You can do this by signing in through Google or Microsoft, or by using your registered email address and password. It's important to remember your login credentials to ensure a smooth entry into your account. For those who have enhanced security measures, LinkedIn might prompt you for two-factor authentication. If you've activated this feature, you'll be asked to verify your account by entering the code sent to your phone number. Once you're successfully logged in, let's talk about the signs that might indicate someone has blocked you. The first and most obvious sign is that you can no longer access the person's profile. If someone has blocked you, their profile is effectively hidden from your view. When you search for their name, the profile won't appear in the LinkedIn search results any longer. It's almost as if the person's digital footprint on LinkedIn has vanished, specifically in regard to your account. It's also important to note the breadth of their activity you'll miss out on. You will not be able to view any updates or activities they post. This includes their recent posts, comments on articles, or shared content. Moreover, messages between you and the blocker will also become inaccessible. You'll find that you cannot send them new messages or interact with any past conversations you might have had. This complete lack of visibility and communication is a strong indicator that you could have been blocked. Another thing to keep in mind is the "Who viewed your profile" section. Generally, LinkedIn allows users to see who's checking out their profile. However, if you're blocked, your visits to their profile page are not recorded in this section on their profile. This absence from their viewer list simply means that they won't know you visited their profile, and you're effectively invisible to them. By following these steps and understanding these signs, you can determine whether or not someone has blocked you on LinkedIn. Keep in mind, these actions are features designed by LinkedIn to respect privacy and control over one's professional network. Whether you're reaching out for collaboration, networking, or simply staying updated, knowing where you stand in terms of connectivity is key. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful. Remember to subscribe for more tips and insights on navigating your professional journey.